Hello, trading is closed on the 6th of December 2023. As always, we'll do our disclaimer, we'll go over our calls, and we'll make some predictions. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, which is the 7th of December 2023. And please remember, trade at your own risk because my calls can be wrong. Look for the pattern with the early low. Today we got that, and tomorrow should have the early high. We said last Friday that we had a breakout over a trading range, and we needed confirmation by trading past Friday's close by 1 cent for confirmation. And the longer we went without doing that, the greater vulnerability there was to a breakdown at much lower prices. This is just a review of what we said. So we didn't get the confirmation, we didn't overcome this high, and now we have an engulfing bar with a close under prior lows. During the day, MEJT identified this rally as false, said lower prices would print, and they did. We've been looking at these trend lines for a couple of weeks. They originated from these trend lines here. And now even though we're going to go over the red trend line by more than we now have a breakdown under this line. It's a valid break, but because we've broken through before, you don't have to obey the rules again. But you need confirmation by trading under today's close by 1 cent. And if that happens, it could be a sizable drop here. Well, this was the inverted diamond on stilts pattern. And we said, here's the origin of the left stilt. And the first test of the origin of the stilt usually holds. But this is test number 2, and the second test usually breaks in grand style. Now again, you need confirmation by going past today's close by 1 cent. If we gap up here, that's not going to count. But if we do get follow through, it should break in grand style. And regardless of how you count this, you got 5 waves down, you have an ABC up with good fibs, and this looks like we're in the middle of another impulse, and there's no fib ratio between this and this, so the odds are pretty good we're going to break through. Doesn't change the long-term bullish call, but for right now, that's not good. Thursday's pattern has the early high. It doesn't tell us where we open. Today saw a negative engulfing bar, a break of a significant trend line, undercutting of prior lows, and a retest of the origin of the left stilt of the inverted diamond on stilts pattern. It's all negative stuff. And if we trade under today's close, that confirms the break. And if that happens, I think it probably will, even if it doesn't happen at the open. If that happens, you should see lower prices. To invalidate this, bulls need to gap up smartly and maintain that move higher. Doesn't change the bullish long-term call, but this is a negative pattern which should lead to lower prices if we get confirmation early tomorrow. It's a pattern with the early high. It doesn't tell us where we open, and that's today's call.